You can order the ignition coils used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn off your vehicle's ignition. Set the parking brake. Pull the hood release handle and open the hood. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 5mm Allen socket, unscrew the 3 bolts that hold the plastic cover in place. Remove the bolts using a magnetic extender. Then remove the cover. You can now see the location of the ignition coils. Disconnect the power from the ignition coil. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, remove the bolt holding the coil. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. You can now carefully remove the coil, making small lateral back and forward movements. Tip: we recommend using a thin plastic tube taped to the end of a vacuum to properly clean around the spark plug. You can order the ignition coils used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new coil. Put the coil back, pushing it in as far as possible. You can then screw the bolt back in using a ratchet. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Reconnect the ignition coil. You can now repeat the process on the other ignition coils. Put the plastic cover back on and screw it back on. Operation complete.